So I'm just making a quick video here to dispel any myths about this amperage rating on the Bambu LED connector. So I'm going to show you guys actual facts here. So this right here is a picture of my Wi-Fi board in my X1. This is the LED port. So this pin here is your ground, this is your positive. This pin is connected to the drain of this MOSFET right here, and if you look, it's labeled with 21P. So if we head over to all Datasheet and we look for chips with markings with 21P, we get a bunch of results, and we can ignore all of these because these are voltage regulators, and this is a P-channel MOSFET. We're looking for an N-channel MOSFET. And we got a bunch of listings from this Chinese company called Tech Public, and all of these are rated a minimum of 0.9 amps continuous drain. What is continuous drain? That means continually on. So if I go ahead and click one of them here, and then I go to the data sheet, we can look here at the continuous drain is rated for 0.9 amps. Now our LED kits pull 0.42. I think the stock one pulls like 0.3, and you can see it can handle a pulse drain of 1.5. So this means you can run even two of those LED kits and still be within spec, and you can even run the stock LED with the LED kit and still be within spec. So look at data sheets and get your information. And this is something I actually checked before we started selling them. We did an actual drain test to see how much current was going through the wires when we turned the lights on. And I also looked up this data sheet before we started selling the kits to make sure I wasn't selling you guys products that didn't work or would damage your printer like a lot of other companies do. I like to do my due diligence, and I like to do my homework. So you can buy from us with confidence.